Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike convened a high-level meeting yesterday at Raj Bhavan to address the administrative and developmental challenges faced by Dhanamanjuri University in Imphal, Manipur. The meeting included Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar Singh, Chief Secretary Dr. Vineet Joshi, and H. Gyan Prakash, Commissioner of Education. The governor raised concerns regarding the absence of a regular vice-chancellor and registrar, which has been affecting the university's operations and the students' experiences. She also inquired about the current status of the teaching and non-teaching staff appointments. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar Singh assured the governor that results related to these issues would be announced soon. He confirmed that steps to nominate a University Grants Commission member for the appointment process of a new Vice-Chancellor would be initiated shortly. Chief Secretary Dr. Vineet Joshi added that the recruitment process for a new Vice-Chancellor is underway, with an advertisement for the position expected to be issued soon. He also mentioned ongoing arrangements for appointing a new registrar. Governor Uike emphasized the urgency of resolving all issues affecting the students and the teaching community. She urged the official to expedite the recruitment process for both the Vice-Chancellor and registrar positions. The governor also expressed concerns for students from various colleges who are living in relief camps and directed the Chief Secretary to take necessary steps to address their needs. Additionally, the governor inquired about the implementation of the National Education Policy NEP 2020 across universities and colleges in the state. She directed the officials to organize regular meetings of all central, state and private universities at Raj Bhavan to ensure cohesive and coordinated efforts in improving the education sector in Manipur.